Reality of Wrestling. ROW is an independent professional wrestling promotion based in Houston, Texas. It was established as Pro Wrestling Alliance (PWA) in 2005 by WWE Hall of Famer Booker T. History. Pro Wrestling Alliance. The Pro Wrestling Alliance's first show was held in December 2006. Owner Booker T has stated that the promotion was opened with the intent to give professional wrestlers the opportunity to properly train, as well as to keep the legacy of Paul Boesch's Houston wrestling alive. The money made at shows is donated to the Booker T. Fights for Kids Foundation, which helps kids stay off the streets and shows them the benefits of a better life. Monthly events were held at the Pasadena Convention Center in Pasadena, Texas, and later at the Clear Lake Recreation Sports Center in Clear Lake, Texas. In December 2007, Rob Van Dam wrestled his first match after leaving WWE against Booker T for the PWA, and the match is included on the DVD The Best of RVD TV Volume 1 DVD in the extras. Reality of Wrestling. On March 9, 2012, after 7 years as the Pro Wrestling Alliance, the promotion was relaunched as Reality of Wrestling. ROW. The name change was a spontaneous decision of Booker T. In December 2013, the promotion almost closed with Christmas Chaos planned as the last show. However, last-minute investors and partners helped the promotion continue to run. The promotion produces a weekly YouTube show with tapings taking place once monthly at the live events in Clear Lake. ROW later launched a local television program in Houston, Texas that originally aired on Cube TV Channel 57 and currently airs on Sunday mornings on Kaya TV, Channel 39. In February 2014, ROW partnered with the Soul of the South Network to air the show in 20 cities. They aired their first internet pay-per-view in July 2014. The promotion also includes a school that has a 2-year training program for beginning professional wrestlers, as opposed to the more traditional 3- and 6-month programs at other schools. Current champions. ROW homepage.